Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, I'm going to be trying out a new wash and go combo. So one of the products that I'm going to be using is not necessarily a new product. It is fairly new, but it has been out for I don't know, some months maybe. I'm not really sure. But it's a new product. That product is the Pattern Curl Mousse. This one right here. And I actually got the travel size just so I can try it out and see if I like it or not, and see if I really want to invest in a bigger size. But the other product that I'm going to be using on top of the mousse is the Stronghold Gel by Pattern. And I re-upped on this on Black Friday. If you want to check out my Black Friday haul, I'll go ahead and have that video listed up above and in the description box, so you can check that out after this one. So I have already done my wash day, y'all. I use the Hydration Shampoo by Pattern. I use the Intensive Moisture Conditioner as my deep conditioner. And currently I do have the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I just added that just so I can have some added moisture into my hair for this wash and go. What we are going to do is let's just go ahead and take off these caps so you guys can see what my hair is looking like with just the leave-in conditioner in. And before I take my hair down, I did want to show you guys that I got a comb out cape to put over my shoulders while I'm doing my wash and go. So if any of the, leave-in conditioner or mousse or whatever water drips down, it will drip down on the cape and not my shirt. So this is what that looks like. And this was only $3.99. So let's just go ahead and break this bad boy out and see what it's looking like. So it is the plastic material. I didn't know if it was going to be one of those like the nylon ones, but this is what it looks like. Little neck part. I don't know, y'all. This might be more aggravating than helpful. So let's see. We are going to put it on this side here, and let's go ahead and let me go ahead and put this back up because it fell down on me. Okay, so let's go ahead and tie this up. Okay, all right, so there we go. Not too shabby. All right, so y'all, this is what the little cape situation is looking like. So let's go ahead. Oh, let me go ahead and take my hair down so y'all can see what it looks like. All right, so this is what we're working with. And I don't know if this color cape was a good idea because y'all really can't see my hair that well. So this is what we're looking like, y'all. Hair looks super duper curly. Curls are really defined. My hair feels super duper moisturized, y'all. If y'all don't know by now, Pattern is one of my absolute favorite natural hair companies. I pretty much have tried every single product, and I'm pretty sure I have tried every single product. And I do have a Pattern playlist as well. I'll have that link so you can check that out too. So let's go ahead and section my hair, and I am just going to start in the back and work my way up to the front, because that is the way that I like to do my wash and goes. And I do also want to add, I'm going to be trying a new wash and go technique as well. You will see in this video. Y'all, I'm about to take this off. It's already annoying. All right. Okay. All right, so this is what my hair is looking like. That's what we're working with. So let's see what the mousse looks like. And this is the 4 fluid ounce size. And of course you have your, standard mousse pump. So let's see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It feels, or it looks very pillow-like coming out. And it smells just like all of their other products that they have. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and put this here. That's not too much. And then let's put a little bit over here, just so we don't have too much on that section. But as I am adding it, it is going on pretty smoothly. It was really nice. And as you can see, it is elongating my hair as well. So let's go ahead and add the rest of this to this section and work it in. All right, y'all, so I am just going to go ahead and apply the rest of the mousse to my hair, and once I do that, I'll come back, let you see what my hair looks like with the mousse on, and then we'll go in and add the Pattern Stronghold gel. Okay, so the new wash and go technique that I am trying out today is I am going to style my hair so that it doesn't have a defined part. Usually I have either a side part or a middle part, and I kind of just want to do something different without having a defined part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to style this section of my hair frontwards. So what I'm going to do is, after I apply the mousse to this front section, I'm going to go ahead and add the Stronghold gel while I'm on this section, so I don't have to kind of bring it back and then flip it back to the back. But you'll see exactly what I'm talking about as I style my hair. I'm also going to spray some water on my hair. It feels like it is drying a little bit up here. So I'm going to spray some water on this section and then go in with the gel. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up this Stronghold gel, and I'm gonna get about maybe this much here. This much. Just going to rub it in my hand and just apply it to the top here. Now I'm going to go in with some more of the gel and put it on the back sections. Okay, y'all, so now I am going to go ahead and flip this back. And as you can see, I am going to need to put some more gel here, just so those spots won't be frizzy. And I actually think I'm going to put some mousse. I'm gonna go in with some of the gel, rub that in my hands. Now I'm going to let my hair set for a little while, and then I might sit under my hooded blow dryer. I'm curious to see how fast my hair will dry, being that I added the stronghold gel, because usually when you just apply mousse to your hair tends to dry much faster. Okay, y'all, so this is what my wet results are looking like. So once my hair has dried, I'll come back and let you guys see what my results look like and if this no defined part wash and go will turn out like I want it to. Okay, y'all, so my hair has completely dried and this is what we are looking like. I don't know how this undefined part is going to be, but I am getting ready to put my satin scrunchies on my hair so I can stretch it a little bit, because as y'all can see, we got a good bit of shrinkage. And I think what I'm gonna do is just split it down the middle and just put the scrunchies on like this, y'all. And I will say that my hair feels really good. There is a slight, I wouldn't even say it's a cast on it, but you can tell that my hair has a pretty good hold on it. Like, it will last a little bit longer than just with me having the mousse on my hair. So let's go ahead and then this other section. I don't know how it's gonna work, y'all, but we shall see. All right, y'all, this is what we got. This is what we got right here. And I got my bonnet right here, y'all. And just gonna put it on like this. So I'm going to come back tomorrow so you guys can see what my hair looks like on day one. Hopefully we will have really nice, stretched, voluminous hair. Okay, y'all, so it is the next morning and let's see what my hair is looking like. Let's take these scrunchies off really quick. Got some little floaters as I am separating my hair. Not too bad. My hair feels good. All right, let's take this other one down. And I also want to add that I really do like the way my hair is easily able to be separated as I'm manipulating my hair and trying to get it fluffed in a way that I like my hair. Got some good definition, y'all. Hair looks really, really good. Okay, y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like, and y'all, overall, like, I really do like the way my hair came out. My curls are super defined, like I said. My hair is voluminous, which I really do love, being that it's the first day. Like, this is giving me day 2, day 3 hair. And even though it looks like it's day 3, day 4 hair, I still feel like I'm going to get a lot of days out of this wash and go. My curls feel like they have a really good hold to them. My thoughts about this mousse, like, I feel that it's a really good styler, but I will say when I was applying it, it wasn't as moisturized as other mousses that I have used in the past before. I would use this mousse again, but I just feel like other mousses that I've tried, like I said, have been more moisturizing. I would repurchase this mousse, but I don't know if I would go for the big boy because I wouldn't reach for it as much. But I feel that this small size is perfect for me when I want to reach for it, or when I just want to have like a pattern beauty wash day. As far as the strong hold gel, I have used that in the past before. I don't really have any issues with it. I think between these two, it gave me a strong hold. And if I remember correctly, when I used this stronghold gel the first time, I don't really think that it gave me the hold, like the strong hold that I was looking for. But I feel like these two together will give me the strong hold that I'm looking for. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Comment down below if you guys have used this mousse before and what your thoughts were about it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.